Hey, it's Moreau. I swear to god I own t-shirts that are not either graphic t-shirts or band t-shirts, I just don't really show the evidence of that. So I'm sorry I'm in yet another trashy t-shirt, but it's the easiest thing to paint my face in, unfortunately. So today I'm going to be doing a collaboration, actually, with another artist. His name is Mitch, he goes by Deadnakedtree on Vampirefreaks, and he's a pen and ink artist. I came across his stuff on the feed, I really liked it. I thought that his themes and general style was really cool. So I reached out and I asked if it would be okay if I could use his theme in my body paint, my makeup. And he thought it was a great idea. We sort of brainstormed some ideas and I came up with this look that I'm about to do. I'm quite proud of it. I ran it past him before I decided to film this video and he seemed very into it, which was a great compliment to me, and if I can do his work justice then I'll be very proud. Right, now that I have my 12th century hairstyle in, I don't know if people wear their hair like this, I don't really keep up with fashion, as you can clearly tell. I applied some Nip and Fab Dragon's Blood Fix Plumping Serum to my face because, as you know, I live on Neptune and it's always dry, always cold. I always start off looking like something from Star Trek. Alright, I had to get into my precision gargoyle stance for that. Nobody wants to see that again. Right, my lines are not bang on because I'm not a robot, surprisingly. But it'll do. I live in a pretty old house and it's like nearly 3 o'clock in the morning. And there's a cupboard that keeps banging over there, which is really unnerving. I probably shouldn't watch so many horror movies. That might help me. I'm combining his style with my color palette and obviously applying it to the face. I actually love the whole unpopular opinions thing at the moment, or recently rather. But I'm not the type of person who tends to post that much that way. But I do have some unpopular musical opinions. So here are some of my opinions, completely unbacked up, completely unjustified, as they are. Do with them what you will. What context am I referring to them in? Who knows? Who'll ever know? I feel the Phrygian mode is criminally underused. I honestly quite liked Project 1950. I genuinely feel that combining saxophones and black metal was one of the worst things to ever happen to music. couldn't move on to it being done. So I'm going to mimic the swirls down here, up here, and that's kind of getting towards the end. In today's episode of Merle, why are you drawing more eyes on your face? We have the chin eye, which I don't think I've done before, so here I present you the chin eye. That's the final thing. I've gone through a few stages while doing this of loving it and hating it, loving it and hating it. In the end, I actually really like it. I would definitely wear this out. I would wear that to any event, really. I'd wear that on the day, honestly. But that's just me. I feel it embodies what I set out to embody. It's got elements of Mitch's work, it's got elements of my work, it's got my colour palette, it's got my eye that I usually do. This is the final look. Thank you so much for hanging out with me and watching me scribble my face. I hope you're having a great day or night, depending on where you are, and hopefully I will see you next time. Maybe I'll even do some more collaborations with other artists.